How to create calendar in Google Sheet. Forget scribble planners. Google Sheet can be your new favorite digital calendar. Whether you're planning content, tracking goals, or organizing events, a custom calendar in Sheet is easy to build and easy to share. Let's turn your spreadsheet into a scheduling powerhouse. Open your Google Sheet, then over here you can see template gallery as well. Here you can see annual budget, to-do list, and many other. Here you can even see annual calendar. If you tap on it, open it, there you can see the calendar is already ready. You can easily use this one. Here you have many worksheets of individual month where you can take the date event. You can enter a event over here like showcase. Make sure you change the color, and then like this you can mark your calendars. You can even add notes over here after your month ends. Like this you can create your own and make changes accordingly.